Good morning, students. Today we continue our 7th chapter. In early class, we have already discussed definitions of test, measurement, evaluation. And in today's class, we will discuss test, measurement and evaluation. What is the importance of test, measurement और evaluation? क्या ज़रूरत है हमें, क्या importance है इनकी sports में? So, come to the first point. For getting knowledge about the progress. If we'll take test, so we know our progress. With the help of the test, measurement and evaluation, physical education teacher can get appropriate knowledge about the progress of student. Without appropriate knowledge of their progress, they cannot come to know where they stand, where students are standing. They cannot improve progress related to physical education if they don't know the level of achievement or progress about the student. Second is for preparation of effective planning. They help to plan effectively through to test, measurement and evaluation. With the help of test, measurement and evaluation, and effective planning can be done easily. But without test, measurement and evaluation, a good planning can be completely useless. Teaching or coaching method can be changed on the basis of test, measurement and evaluation. Now third is for knowing the abilities of and capacities. With the help of test, measurement and evaluation, teachers of physical education can assess and understand the ability and capacity of the students. Teachers easily उनको समझ पाते हैं टेस्ट मेजरमेंट के थ्रू बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस को, which ultimately help in conversing a program. Fourth is for discovering the needs of participation. Students, the test, measurement and evaluation is help in discovering the needs of participation. They help to discovering the needs of participation. These identify the strength and weakness. क्या आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस ऑफ participants or student. The curriculum that can be prepared according, they are also shown where emphasis should be laid. Fifth point is for motivation. Test, measurement and evaluation, they help to motivate the students also, or sportsmen. A sportsman come to know their level of achievement to performance with the help of the test, measurement and evaluation. They try to compare their performance with their previous performance. किसे कंपेयर करते हैं? अपनी previous performance से, और with others performance. Sixth point is for classification of sports person. A proper classification of sports person as their capacities or capabilities के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग उनका क्लासिफिकेशन करते हैं. It required to give them proper training load. It required proper training. Test, measurement and evaluation help in proper classification of sports persons on the basis of physical, mental and psychological capacities and capabilities. Seventh is for knowing the achievements in future. That present performance can be examined with the help of test, measurement and evaluation, and on the basis of present performance. किसके basis पे? आपकी जो present performance है उसके basis पे the future achievements can be predicted. Okay, eighth point is for research and experimentation. These are also important for the development of physical education profession, because without research or experimentation, no profession can be improved and taken forward. Now we'll discuss about BMI. How to calculate BMI. Now students, what is BMI? It is a body mass index. Calculation of body mass index. It is also known as Quetelet index because it was invented by Adolphe Quetelet. It is a statistical measurement. It is a statistical measurement which compares an individual's weight and height. क्या बताता है ये? Weight and height. BMI can be defined as the individual's body weight divided by the square of his height. It helps a person to know whether she has a healthy weight or need to lose weight or need some gain weight. It values in measured in kilogram per meter square. Now we'll calculate the BMI. Look at the formula. BMI formula is body weight divided by height square. This is the formula. You have to learn this. Weight measures in kilograms and height in meters. Now we'll do one example. Now suppose height is 1.70 meter and body weight is 75 kilogram. Now how we'll calculate the BMI? 75 divided by 1.70 into 1.70. तो अपना जो BMI निकल के आएगा 25.95 किलोग्राम प्रति मीटर स्क्वायर. इनकी जो किलोग्राम प्रति मीटर स्क्वायर है आपको you have to write this only in this way. Now students, look at this picture. You can understand how to divide the BMI. Now 18.5 से लेके 22.9 तक अगर किसी का BMI आता है तो किस में काउंट होता है? नॉर्मल में काउंट होता है. नॉर्मल BMI आता है उसका. नेक्स्ट 23 से लेके 24.9 तक होता है तो उसको हम किस में, कौन सी कैटेगरी में रखते हैं? ओवरवेट में. उसके आगे 25 से लेके 29.9 तक आता है तो हम उसे किस में कैलकुलेट करेंगे? प्री ओबेस में. फिर उसके बाद में ओबेस में भी है क्लास 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. और जो इनको इन कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करते हैं. फिर अंडरवेट का है 18.5 से नीचे जिसका आता है BMI उसको हम लोग अंडरवेट में काउंट करते हैं. Now students, when we are taking BMI, we have to take precaution during measurements. Now the body weight must be taken on a perfect weighing machine. The weighing machine should be perfect. It should be not damaged और ख़राब नहीं होनी चाहिए. अपना right weight बताने वाली होनी चाहिए. Next is, while taking body weight, one must wear required clothes. You should not wear so many clothes. While measuring height, one should be barefooted and body should be straight position. Your body should be straight or you should be barefoot. Now we'll calculate to waist hip ratio. The measurement of waist circumference divided by hip circumference. Male waist hip ratio is more than 1.0. Otherwise इससे ऊपर होता है तो हेल्थ रिस्क रहता है. फीमेल में है वेस्ट हिप रेशियो इज मोर देन 0.85. इससे अबव होता है तो हेल्थ रिस्क रहता है. इफ द वेस्ट हिप रेशियो एक्सीड देन दीज ratios they will be at very high risk. It is used as a risk factor assessment tool for heart disease, hypertension and diabetes. Now we will calculate waist hip ratio. To determine if you have healthy waist hip ratio or not, use measuring tape to measure the circumference of your hips at the widest part of your butts. After that, measure your waist just above the belly button. Now waist hip ratio is equal to वेस्ट सर्कमफ्रांस डिवाइडेड बाय हिप सर्कमफ्रांस. ठीक है, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, मेल वेस्ट इज 33 inches and hip is 44 inches. Then what is the ratio? Ratio is 33 oblique divided by 44. करेंगे तो आएगा आंसर 0.75.